Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will going to show you how to create overall progress bar in Google Sheets. So let's get straight into it. First, you will probably have in your sheet some percentages or something. So I will just show you a quick way how to do progress bar and then you will combine. So um, if I put, for example, here some percentages. So let's make it 49%. I will put it like that. And we go to the next cell and we will type here like that. So, okay. And we will put in spark line like that. Like that. Now we need to put data in. So we will choose here these percentages. Like so, and now we will close it with this one here, and we will type in chart type and bar. Now we need to put that one max. I will go with 100%. Now we need color 1, and here we choose color now. So I will put in green. Sorry, empty. Okay, so I need here space and like that. And for the last one is 0. So if you can follow along, we just need to close that thing here. So with that one, like so. And now, as you can see, we have fully functioning overall progress bar. So if I change here the percentage, so if I go to 10, this will change also. So if I do 50%, I can do 90%, for example. It will also work. So this is how you can make progress bar in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, like the video, consider to subscribe to the channel for more guides like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next